All right, so today marks day number 3 for the 0 to 100. First of all, good morning. And yeah, it's face cam now with full setup. I've changed my setup. I've actually switched over to Mac OS instead of Windows. And we did take a payout on Friday. I made a video about it, but to be honest, half of the video was just blacked out because there was so much personal information in it. So I decided not to post it, and over the weekend I just took a little breather. But so today what we're doing is, if I show you right here, let me just make a smaller part to the side here real quick. Here I have my whatever, like my funded PA account, and now I've bought another funded account as well, right? So for today we're gonna be trading the funded account until they take the money out of the PA for the money I withdrew. So we're just gonna wait until then, and then in the meantime we're gonna trade the valuation account, the new evaluation account. So we're going to build up a couple accounts in total, and that will probably be what we're going to do for today. So for now, let's mark out our levels and we'll go from there. So hop, okay, we already are on the 1 hour. Not a lot of news this week other than tomorrow. Tuesday's going to be a little screwed up, but other than that, we're mostly chilling. I do have a new microphone on the way. It's gonna be a lot better than this. I think it comes in around Friday or Thursday. So I'll try to post like one video with it this week. If not, then next Monday we'll have a new microphone, new setup, new everything. But let's see what else we have. Let's mark out Asia session. And remember, once this is done, we'll be looking at an actual series from start to full beginning. Right? So that's always going to be fun. Alright, we did gap up here, but we got the gap closed, so it doesn't really matter anymore. We have these little intermediate highs, but the major highs are up here, so I'm gonna just mark those out. But we could sweep these highs, and then go down to sweep these lows, and then maybe rally up. But for the most part, let me go on the daily. Like as we did, we swept all these lows and stuff here. If you guys can see, like that, right? So I wouldn't mind it rallying up now. That would be best case scenario. So buys for the day, I guess, is bullish now. Now let's go to 15-minute. Don't really see anything. 5-minute. Nothing crazy. I guess you can mark out these lows here. These ones here. So yeah, okay, if we see a breakdown below these, we'll see if we find an order block or a fair value gap or anything like that. If we see a break above, I want to see a break above the 21,165 levels, then we'll see once again a retrace into an order block, equilibrium, fair value gaps, order flow, anything like that. God damn, it's early. Trying to go to sleep, but there's money to be made. Yeah, for the most part, we're gonna be risking not as much as we usually do. We usually do 7 contracts, but it is the first trade of the funded, so we're gonna go drop down to 5. 5 contracts on the micro. We win this, then we'll pump it up to 7. If we lose this, we're gonna bring it down to 3. But you know me, we're winning. We can't lose. Other than that, I'll see you guys when market opens. So once again, for you, it's like a second. For me, it's like half an hour. So I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, so we did have market open right now. We do have these London lows, like intermediate lows right here. And then London's lows are back down here. We won't rush into anything. We'll let it play out. But Okay, let's move this 931 so we can see. All right, so we do have the last previous high that broke the low. If I see a bounce off this and then break back down past this, might be interested to take it to the 988s. But for now, not really seeing anything, so we're not going to take anything. I'm going to play it patient, maybe wait for the macro. News-wise, what do we have today for the news? We have... News. Trying to figure out where my tab is. Nope, that's the YouTube. Go subscribe, party people. Alright, so market opened and we saw a little push down past these lows and up. So now we did have a sweep. Like we sweep these lows here. And I think we sweep this one as well. Yeah, we sweep that one as well. So we'll look towards hopefully longs, right? We'll see what happens if I see anything. We are pumping nicely right now. We'll wait for like a little correction, wait for it to come back into anything we want, and then we'll take it from there. But for now, no trades, as you can see, account balance, equity, all still the same. We have this fair value gap here that once we sweep these highs, not really a break of structure yet, but I'm willing to take a low risk trade off of this. Maybe like 3 contracts. And yeah, just down here, stop loss below the low, just a quick, see what happens. Don't really have high expectations for this trade, and that's why I took it at a low contract. But, you know, have some fun, right? You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I'll let you guys know what happens with this trade. And yeah, all right, so we did take that trade. We made $100 off of it, so nothing crazy. But right now I'm just waiting until macro. Well, macro just hit, so I'll see if I see anything off of here. But price is looking a bit dead right now. But I mean, $100 is $100, right? Money's money. My broker, I'm waiting for them to bring me my money. So for the first withdrawal, I was only allowed 553, and then after that, whatever I want. So once again, money's money. We're going to a challenge, and the money I make on the valuation, I won't count it towards the 0 to 10,000 because that technically isn't money I'm gonna be getting. But once it switches to a PA, then we'll count it from the PA. Anything we make on the PA will count that. So here, just waiting to see something, to be honest. Not seeing anything. We got this little move up, took that trade, but other than that, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. Alright, so when I see something, I will let you guys know. Other than that, we'll see what happens. We're seeing this bit of consolidation here. I'm going to take a short off of this and just stops, tight stops. So stops will be like right above the 50% range. And we'll see what happens on this trade. I'll get back to you guys when I see something. All right, so I actually walked away from my desk for a minute, but that did hit take profit. So we're up 330 for the day. That should be it for today. If I pull out the calculator, I like to do it as in basically, so for the I have a 25K funded, I need to get up to 1,500, right? So however many days I want to trade, I divide that by obviously the number, and then we go from there. So here, let me just show you guys what I'm actually talking about. So pull up the calculator. We'll do 1,500. That's how much we need to make. Well, that's 15,000. 1,500 divided by 5 equals 300. So we need 300 a day. We've made 330 today. So that should be it for today. Make sure to subscribe, like. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or actually evening. I'll put up a backtesting videos. Other than that, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully my payout's been taken out by tomorrow, and then we can trade both accounts together. I'll link both of them, so if I take a trade on one, it goes to the other as well. All right, so I'll see you guys later today.